So Tom and Sam each take a driving test. Probably that Tom will pass the driving test is 0.8. Probably that Sam will pass the driving test is 0.6. First task, complete the probability tree diagram. So all we need to do is put in the correct probabilities. Now, you either pass or fail an exam, so that covers all possibilities, with probability at up to 1. So we're looking at 0.2 then for Tom failing. In the same way, we'll be looking at 0.4 for Sam failing, as probably he passes, is 0.6. Second part, or part B, we're asked to work out probability that both Tom and Sam will pass the driving test. So both passing will be a 0.8 for Tom and a 0.6 for Sam. So when you're looking at two things happening together, the key word being and, you need to multiply. So the answer is 0.8 times 0.6. That's probably if Sam passing is 0.8, Tom passing is 0.8, Sam passing 0.6, and 0.8 times 0.6 is 0.48. 6 8s are 48. Finally, find probably that only one of them will pass the driving test. So it could be that we have Tom passing and Sam failing, or it could be the other way around. It could be that Tom fails and Sam passes. So basically we have to work out both those probabilities, and then we have to add the answers together because both conditions satisfy what we need. So the first one will be Tom passing and Sam failing will be 0.8 times 0.4, which is 0.32. And the other one, Tom failing, 0.2, and Sam passing 0.6, 0.12. So 0.12 and 0.32 comes to 0.44. And that gives us the probability that only one of them will pass the driving test.